Viewers, welcome back to our channel Zero to Infinity. So in this video I will tell you how to make liked videos playlist public on your YouTube. So if you want to make your public like videos, how you can do that? Is this possible? I will tell you all the details regarding this matter. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel for more and more interesting and knowledgeable videos. So let's start. So if you want to public it, is this possible or not to public your liked videos? So many users are facing this problem. So I am here asking the Google teams about this matter. So first of all, after December 5, your public liked videos playlist will be private, which means you will be able to see the playlist. You can still like videos and video will be shown the number of likes. So YouTube have updated their policy after December 2022. Now they will said that your liked videos cannot be public because they have updated their policies, and now the liked videos of your will be shown you only to you. So there is no method so by the help of which you can make your videos public. So firstly, in previous method you can make this playlist public, but now they have updated their policies and there is no direct method to public your liked videos. So hope all the query regarding this matter will be clear. So if you want to know more about any matter, you can simply comment down. I will reply you each and every query regarding this matter. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video and keep supporting and sharing our videos so we can upload daily informative content for you guys. Thank you guys.